Fortnite, I'm an image. We feel something hot, and I think it was actually lava. Nah, I think you're just joking. I planted a lot of fruits and vegetables, but I never planted that one before night. I am Groot. Everyone, go back to the ground. I'm just jumping like that. I'll just... Great, now we cannot get the gumball machine.
See? Like, there's one.
Oh my Cloud!
I need you guys to blow really hard again. I can sense it. I can feel it. I can smell the crisp autumn air. Whoa!
Oh, great.
You feel that, SB?
Yeah, I feel it all right. Golf balls overhead.
We gotta turn around.
We just have to.
Is it me, or is it getting warm around here?
Oh, geez, Golfball.
No, seriously,
I think...
the temperature is 10 standard deviations above normal. And all the grass around me just died.
Well, you are pretty stinky, Golf Ball. You can't blame the grass for not wanting to put up with that.
Yeah!
Wait, I know the explanation. A linked lava chamber must be chasing an underground team. They nearly broke the surface, which brought the lava close enough to the grass to heat it to death. But this team clearly values avoiding me more than their own safety. That's highly unlikely. But there's more. If I want this pathetic team to stay underground, lose, and be put up for elimination, I must prevent them from ever breaking the surface again. Aha! The grass over there is starting to die. Not so fast, you dimwits.
Dang it.
We'll have to try somewhere else. Where's next? Where's next? You want to make your next move there, you say? Well, what if I say no?
Oh, so this is Golf Ball's idea of fun.
Yep.
I think we're at the bottom of the world.
Well, I sure hope not, because then we can't escape the lava. Come on, little one. Help me dig. Alright, well, if not little one, why not you, Woody? You have arms.
Ha ha! Ha ha! Stop you there! Well, I think it's time to stop. You've done this 2,763 times! Yes, and each of these 2,763 dead patches of grass is a beauty! Just look at them all! Wait, maybe they're trying to communicate with me.
Yeah, they're telling you to stop.
They raise a very convincing argument, but it's not enough. I'll continue.
Oh, what a pain.
Tell me about it.
Guys, I can't believe you're not helping me dig. The lava's only a few feet away.
It's because it's a lost cause, Balloony.
Now, hold on, you're a nail. You should have a much better chance at breaking through.
There's an intruder sneaking into my underground factory. I need to go investigate.
What is it, Pac-Man? Are you looking at a hole? Lava! Did somebody say lava? Am I okay? Okay, we need just airplane. Okay, that's easy. You can already see the flame, and everyone might be dead.
Can't.
Wait, is it just me, or is it lava again?
They're so fast.
Because lava's chasing us from below.
Oh shoot.
Whoa, deprecated garbage chute. We could try it, but it's all boarded up.
No big deal. I love breaking things. Toss me over. Whee!
I got it off, guys. Wait.
Whoa.
Rest in peace, Coiny.
That slot's too narrow. There's no way I could fit through.
Me neither.
But Woody, if you flip on your side, I think you could make it.
Yeah, Woody. Looks like it's the end of the line for us. But you gotta keep going.
We believe in you, Woody. I bet you'll find paradise at the end of the garbage chute.
I wish we could go with you too, but we just won't fit. I know you can do this.
Sorry, Woody, but the lava's getting close. There's no time left.
We gotta throw you. Remember us, okay?
That's 999 points, Knight. Oh, lots of points, Knight. Now Bluey's gonna get eliminated.